as we're going to be involved playing music, we might as well confess right up front. You're gonna have to play scales. And once we start playing scales and start getting the rhythm of it, a lot of different things will start to make sense. So it's a good thing. A great scale to start with is just the C major scale. C major scale, played simply. Okay, very straightforward, but after 500 or 600 times, it's going to be boring. Now we can make things a little bit interesting, especially playing the full scale. We know that a C chord looks like this. Well, all the notes of the C major scale are between our first finger and our third finger. Okay, that was pretty interesting. So we start seeing that we can mix up our scale a little bit, but all of these scales, those are pretty much the ascending order of the scale. Now, of course, we could run it backwards. But what's a lot more fun is just recognizing what we started with, and that is our music is made up in a key. It's made up of a scale. And we can grab the notes of songs or melodies that we're interested in that represent this scale. Now, this sounds a little bit more complicated than it needs to be. Let's just stay with our C major scale, but we're just going to play with the first 5 notes. So we have C, D, E, F, G. Okay, the 5th degree being G. And let's listen to what happens if we play the notes in a little different order. Recognize that one, don't you? And that's the whole idea. We can find places where the melodies give us the practice that we want of a scale without actually just sounding like we're doing a scale. It's going to sound like music. Now, in this case, we chose 5 of the 7 notes to represent our scale. So we're not practicing the whole scale, so we might still have to do a little scale work from time to time. But with just a little bit of extra work and a little bit of extra trying, we're able to get a melodic sounding first part to our scales that's just going to sound good. And that makes playing scales a whole lot more fun.